If you've been searching for a quality smart wireless speaker on the internet, the name Sonos appears everywhere, right? Well, today I'm going to make an overview of the Sonos Play 5, which is a powerful and modern speaker that works with Amazon Alexa and Echo for ensuring the most comfortable and audio-rich listening experience ever. What makes this speaker an extremely good option for audiophiles, and why is there so much hype about the Sonos Play 5? Let's get started. From a design perspective, the Sonos Play 5 comes in two colors you can choose from, and both of them look incredibly elegant and perform really well. The Play 5 measures 8 inches in height, 14.3 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth. In addition, it weighs around 14 pounds or 6.3 kilograms, so you can bring it anywhere you want since it isn't heavy at all. Before we start talking in detail about the design, I want to mention that my pick is the black colored one, so I will talk respectively. This speaker features a high-quality plastic casing with a metal grille that is accompanied by round edges and a rubber feet on three sides, which ensure a high level of stability for any surface. On the back, you can easily notice a button that is used for connecting to your Wi-Fi network, as well as a 3.5mm wired input for connecting with a TV if you'd like. However, if you have a weak and slow Wi-Fi connection or simply prefer a wired connectivity, this model includes an Ethernet port for making everything more convenient. On the top, there aren't any physical buttons, since the Sonos designers had implemented touch controls and they consist of a play-pause pad and 4 dots on each side for making volume adjustments. The touch controls are really intuitive and they have LED indicators, so you will be informed whether it is muted or not in order to respond adequately. A really interesting and fancy thing is that if you swipe across the surface once, the speaker will immediately change tracks, which is a thing I loved. What makes the sound so powerful is that the Play 5 is powered by 6 speakers, which are coupled with additional 6 digital amplifiers for delivering the best possible audio for filling any room. Moreover, there are 3 dedicated mid-woofers that are crucial in producing well-defined and accurate mid-range frequencies, but also a punchy bass for maximizing your listening experience. The other components included are the 3 tweeters, which will ensure that the high frequencies are going to be delivered extremely sharply and clearly, so the audio will be extraordinarily good. But now, let's talk about its performance. The Play 5 has enough power to produce very loud sound. This is especially noticeable when you set the volume to the maximum. What I really like about the sound is that even if you max it out, it won't distort, so you can always hear a consistent and well-defined audio. The Play 5 is also very versatile when it comes to making adjustments and for connecting it to various devices. By downloading the Sonos app that supports iOS and Android, you can gain an access to a wide variety of options. For example, you can add streaming services of choice, search for tracks, create your own playlists, as well as save them on your local network for listening to them later. If you are a user of iOS, I want to mention that the app has its own built-in automatic tuning system known as TruePlay. The TruePlay functions by using microphones to detect a particular audio and fine-tune the speakers for delivering the most optimum sound for covering the whole room. If you have an Android or Apple Watch, you can take advantage of the Sonos extensions and control the volume, skip tracks, or pause the music from your wrist, which is unbelievably cool. I'm sure that many times you've had some difficulties while setting up wireless speakers for multi-room purposes. Well, thanks to the Sonos app, these difficulties are going to be overcome easily, because all you have to do is just click the Add a Player or Sub option, and then the work will be done in a matter of seconds. If you're a Spotify user, I want to mention that the Sonos app supports the Spotify Connect, so it will let you distribute tracks to the speakers directly from the Spotify app, which makes the whole process a lot more convenient. Another great thing about the speaker is that you can listen to your favorite music while you are taking a shower. Who doesn't like a good music during showering? Thanks to its durability and the fact that it is humidity resistant, the Play 5 just has to be connected to your Wi-Fi and you can enjoy your showers like never before. But be aware that the speaker is not weather or waterproof, so you should place it somewhere where it won't be in contact with water in order to prevent any accidents. For having an even better listening experience, I would suggest you pair the Play 5 with a Sonos Play Bar and you can experience a truly remarkable home theater experience. I want to also mention that if you pair it with a second unit and place them horizontally, the audio coverage will be a lot wider thanks to the speaker array, and if you place it vertically, the stereo image will sound really big and solid. Before we end, the Play 5 has really caught my attention with its ability to produce an incredibly punchy bass, which does indeed increase your overall listening experience. You can easily notice this while watching movies, since the sound of explosions is delivered surprisingly well. Overall, you should definitely take the Sonos Play 5 into serious consideration due to its colossal capabilities, which are going to enrich and elevate your listening experience to a whole new level. The advantage of having Sonos is that regardless of the operative system or smart device you're using, the Play 5 can be connected within seconds and the audio quality is guaranteed from the moment you turn it on. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about the Sonos Play 5, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.